It feels like summer is trying to end on us already, but I had a hankering to make a jellyfish rock. So this is a rock that I started while I was staying with my mom, and I wanted to use some new neon paints that I got at Hobby Lobby. So I started out with a white watercolor pencil to get the outline on there, and then took some Liquitex gesso to give a nice base coat on the rock so that I can have nice solid coverage with the white. And so I'm going to fill it in with gesso and then come back over it with some white paint and make sure that that dries really good before I start anything else. So these are Deco Art black light neon paints, and I'm just going to use a drop of each, and then I'm going to add a drop of water so that I can create sort of a watercolor look with this. I wanted to add some of the neon paint to the body of the jellyfish, but I don't want it to be super solid. I want it to be almost kind of translucent and like a watercolor, where it kind of just blends in and just gives some pretty color to the background of the jellyfish. So that was my method to my madness with these paints. Now I'm going to come back through with some white paint and create some of the, I guess they're tentacles. I know you guys are going to correct me. Somebody with a biology background will correct me, but I'm going to create some of the tentacles with the white paint first so that it kind of connects the design to the body. And then I'm going to come back through with a disposable eyeliner brush and add just strips of kind of translucent neon tentacles. I'm going to go with tentacles here. And I didn't have solid coverage with the neon paints when I did this, because kind of the same concept with the neon paint up in the body of the jellyfish. I wanted it to be kind of translucent because that's how a jellyfish is, right? Like, it's not a solid opaque skin. It's something you can kind of see through. So I was going for kind of a translucent look, but with the neon colors, because I wanted it to be rainbowy and fun. Now I want to add some sparkle, so I'm going to take some Folk Art Extreme Hologram Glitter Paint and just kind of go up and down the different tentacles and just give them a little bit of sparkle to go with their translucent, bright colors. And then I'm also going to bring that Extreme Hologram Glitter Paint into the body of the jellyfish. So I'm going to create it nice and thick around kind of that top border, and then kind of draw it down with a vertical angle of the brush. Now I'm taking a Posca PC1MR paint pen to outline the body of the jellyfish. Now I'm going to take a nail dotting tool to add just one dot of each of the neon colors up in the upper left of the body of the jellyfish. For extra summer cuteness, I'm going to do a kawaii face on the jellyfish just so that it's super cute and inviting and somebody is going to want to pick it up. This is also a really easy way to get a face on any design that you do if you're not good at realism. I'm not good at realism, so the dotting tools come in so handy and you create this adorable little face. I did do a light coat of Mod Podge on this rock to keep the underlying stone nice and light, but the resin really made the sparkle pop. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch.
Like and subscribe to my mom's videos to see more.
Take care, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.